Hi everyone, my name is Ho Yen Him. Please call me Miss Ho. I've been teaching A-levels biology for 20 years in Taylo'rs College. My passion is to make biology easy and interesting for my students to learn and to master. And during the process of learning biology, they will discover their talents and they will realize and adopt a habit and mindset that will be a great asset for them, not only in university, but also throughout the life. I hope that all my students will approach life with curiosity, openness, and courage to new ideas, new challenges, new learning as they sail through unknown territory in life, whether in family, in their career, in education, in relationships, in every part of their life, and they will still excel with great wisdom, integrity, and excellence. One of my greatest happiness is to see my students living happily and also feeling fulfilled as they contribute positively with the knowledge and talents and ability that they have to the people around them and to our society. Thank you.